Hello everybody, welcome to At-NEET Physics by Arun video channel. In today's video also we are going to solve a multiple choice question from the chapter Dual Nature of Radiation and Matter. Dual Nature of Radiation and Matter. What is the question, sir? The question is the work functions of cesium symbol வந்து CS சொல்லுவோம், potassium symbol K and sodium symbol Na are 2.14 electron volt, 2.30 electron volt and 2.75 electron volt respectively. It means for cesium, for CS it is 2.14, for potassium it is 2.3 and for sodium Na it is 2.75. Okay, that's all. If incident electromagnetic radiation has an incident energy of 2.20 electron volt, which of these photosensitive surfaces emit photoelectrons? Okay, this question has been asked in the NEET examination in the year 2023. So you are given four options. Number one, both Na and K, அதாவது sodium and potassium. Number two, potassium only, K only. Number three, sodium, Na only. And number four, cesium, CS only. So, பார்க்கிறதுக்கு இது கொஞ்சம் mass work out பண்ண வேண்டியது மாதிரி தெரியுது, but உண்மையில அப்படி கிடையாது. So, you need not work out any sum for these questions. You know that the surface will emit photoelectrons only when h nu is greater than phi naught. What does it mean? The surface will emit photoelectrons only if the incident energy is greater than the work function. What is the incident energy? 2.20. What is the work functions of these materials? 2.14, 2.30, 2.75. Of which only 2.14 is less than 2.20. These two values are greater than the h nu value, is it not? So h nu energy of incident radiation 2.20 electron volt. So find out work function of the surfaces. So of the three surfaces, only CS, cesium with 2.14 electron volt satisfies the condition. What is the condition, sir? H nu is greater than phi. So hence the surface of CS only, cesium only will emit photoelectrons. So option 4 is the right answer. Okay, that's all. Okay, very simple question. You need not solve any problem or something like that. If you know the concept, you can easily answer this question. Okay, that's it. Now you'll see one more question from the chapter Dual Nature of Radiation and Matter in our next video. Till then, thank you one and all. Thank you.